This can help businesses organize customers based on how far down the purchase process the customers are. They can then take action to help customers along. For example, you may want to message existing customers that haven't purchased the product in a few months with a promotion or a coupon. Or you may want to send a thank you to customers that just purchased. You can use labels to help organize and segment your contacts, which will enable you to access them faster. Let's take a look at how Mexico-based entrepreneurial mentor and coach Lisette Mondragon used WhatsApp Business to increase her sales. Lisette established Mujer Asertiva, a coaching and mentoring program for other female entrepreneurs, back in 2016. Interest in Lisette's services, including one-on-one and group coaching, mentoring sessions, online conferences, and monthly challenges was growing. So she needed a way to connect with more women with a consistent message. To do so, she began using the WhatsApp Business app in March 2019. Lisette now connects with all 300 of her clients who are spread across 10 states in Mexico, the US, Colombia, Peru, and Spain via the WhatsApp Business app. The app's labels feature helps Lisette organize her diverse clientele by the services they want. And a quick reply feature has boosted her efficiency in responding to frequently asked questions, from workshop invites to reminders and follow-ups. The WhatsApp Business app has helped Lisette to connect with more women in business and strengthen their leadership. Mujer Asertiva saw a 40% increase in new client contacts and a 10% increase in sales between March and December of 2019 as a result of its use of WhatsApp. Messenger and WhatsApp have become crucial tools for people to stay connected, and they clearly offered interesting ways for businesses to stay connected to their customers. A presence on WhatsApp and Messenger is often a great way for businesses to round out their social media marketing approach and enrich it with more personal customer care. In our next video, we'll turn our attention to another social channel with roots in messaging: WeChat.